This has got to be the tiniest electric portable chainsaw that I ever did see. Saker sent me this for free to review. So let's check it. So I'm just gonna open this up. I don't have any real scissors handy right now, but it comes in this nice case. So I'll do it really quick, which is great for storing so far. And I'm going to close this up. So it's by Saker, S-A-K-E-R, and it comes in a nice case. So first off, we got instructions. This is the electric portable chainsaw. So it is measuring at 4 inches. This is a safety guard, I could just tell right away. All right, we got 2 batteries, so I'm sure there's some juice on it, but I know I'm gonna have to charge it up to demonstrate. So it says, let me see, 20 volt, 1.5 hours. So I got 2 of them, which is great. So while I'm working on one, I can get the other one charged up. Looks like it is an insertion and a plug to charge it up. And in this section here, oil, I'm assuming for the chain. And then here's a wrench, I guess, for this section here if I need to adjust the chain. And then Phillip screwdriver for all of this, whatever I may have to adjust up here. So I think so far we got some good supplies. You got oil, 2 batteries, can't go wrong with that, the charger, and everything you need. So, and it has a little section, so you can keep it nice and organized. There's 3 lights here. I can't tell if it's got juice on it, if it's charged up, but let's put it together. And it's really just a snap in. There's a safety mechanism right here that you would press. So it's got some charge on it. So I'm gonna charge this up and see what it can do. So this was a fruit tree that did not make it through the frost. And I'm gonna cut it down. Quick and easy. Now, of course, this was what, about 1 inch, if that. And I can cut it down in half again, but it makes for quick work. And you really have to just apply pressure, but I'm not gonna do that without having support. And then I'll just take this up later, but for entrance, I'll cut it again. And notice how the guard, is flexible and moves too. So this tree branch cracked or broke due to a storm. So I'm gonna, usually I hand prune with a hand saw, but let's see what this little mini saw can do. Because it's already down, I'm not gonna really do an undercut. So I'm just gonna go straight down. And if need be, I'll clean it up with a handsaw. Wow, that was quick. I put my weight into it. So then this is nice because now this big, large branch that I had all the peach trees on, I can break it down further into smaller pieces. makes quick work. Watch your feet, your hands, everywhere. I highly recommend this Saker Mini Portable Electric Chainsaw. And you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with me. It's a perfect tool for around the garden. Stay abundantly rooted and grounded.